Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle on a given angle which will also pass through a given point. So in this case, let's draw the given angle. So assume we have this given angle here. Then we have given angle here. This is a given angle here. So we want to draw a circle on a given angle that will pass through this given point. Let's say this point P. And the first thing to do is to draw the given angle BAC and point P. We've done that. Next step is to bisect the angle BAC. So let this be B, let this be A, let this be C. So all you need to do is you bisect this angle. Put your compass to required radius, extend it again, the right, then bisect it. Now this bisection, when we bisect this angle, you look for with any center D, draw a circle touching AB and AC. So with any center D, we draw a circle. So this center D, let's pick a center here as our D. Draw a circle touching AB and AC rather. So AB, to touch AB and also touch AC. So that's what I'm making for. Circle to touch AB and AC. Alright, I guess this bisection is not correct. So it should actually be more points. So have it here. So let's draw a circle. To touch the two. So here we go. This circle is touching the two. And the next step is to join P to A. So join P to A, and it will call the circle at F. So P to A. When we join P to A, it's called the circle at F. So this F. And the next step is to join F to the circle, the center of the circle D. The center of the circle. So this center of the circle. We join F to the center of the circle. And then lastly, you draw another line parallel to this line DF. So this is DF. Draw a line parallel to DF, but this line should not be at DF. It should be away from DF. It must pass through P. So this point P. So draw a line passes through P. So it touches the bisector at G. So G is the center of the required circle. All you need to do is you draw the circle with center G. So put your compass to. You can also verify that it touches it. So the next step is to draw the circle. So this circle is a circle that passes through the point P and it touches the angles. Thanks for watching.